Hi everybody, howdy do, it's me, Jara Bee. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can tell by the title, this is a Michael Kors not an unboxing, it's a unbagging. It didn't come in a box. I purchased this Michael Kors. This is my very first, believe it or not, you guys, this is my first Michael Kors bag. So let's get right into the unbagging. I normally don't do unboxings or unbaggings too much. Okay, so here it goes, because I don't like the sound of all the paper and the plastic. So I might edit a little bit of that out. Okay, so I got my handy dandy scissors ready. All right, let's see. I've been holding on to this bag here, you guys, for about over a week. I was waiting on something else to come in. All right, let's see. Like I said, I'm not the most graceful at unwrapping things. Okay. So, ta-da! Here it is. Okay, so there's still some wrapping here, some paper. It's very well protected. I picked this up at my local retail store, and yeah, here she is, you guys. Oh wow. Okay, here's the back. It's in the color brown acorn, and I am so attracted to this color. Okay, the handle drop here, you guys, the straps, I do not believe that these straps are leather. I don't think there's any leather on this bag. Oh yeah, there's no leather on here. I don't know why I was under the impression that the straps were going to be leather, but hey, it's my first bag by Michael Kors, so I still like the way that it looks. And there's 4 feet at the bottom. Gold tone hardware. We have a pocket here. There's 2 pockets on each side, the front and the back. And then here's the back. Okay. Right. All right, so it's unpacked all the way now. Zipper. Let's see here what I got going on here with the zipper. Okay. Take that off of the zipper pull. And let me see. There's no, yep, there is a little Michael Kors engraving on the zipper pull. Let's see. It's the angle that I'm holding the bag. Okay, so nice and smooth zipper. I like the interior color, that lighter color. There's a slip pocket here. Let's see, and then there's a, see if I can let you guys see. There's a zipper pocket here. Y'all see that? Yep, I think you can. All right. So I'm happy with it, you guys. So my very first MK bag. Okay, so you know I had to get a matching wallet. So this wallet is the Jet Set Travel wallet. And let me go ahead and try to open this up. I'm so excited. All right. So the Jet Set travel wallet in the color brown. Let's see. Unzipped it. Let me take this off. Ugh. There we go. All right. And so the zipper pull, this is pretty. It has Michael Kors engraved there on the zipper pull. It's like a continental style wallet. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. That pretty brown. Oh yeah. I'm vibing with that, y'all. See? Brown. Oh, okay. Stops right here. Okay, I was thinking that it was zipped down all the way here, but it doesn't. Just here like that. Continental style. Oh, look at all those card slots in here. Let me see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots on this side. And a zippered section there. Nice. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 slots there. A slip pocket here. And here. I hope I'm doing a good enough job. So that is the corresponding wallet. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, you guys. So that is it for the Bedford medium logo tote bag. And the Jet Set travel bag. This is brown acorn color, the bag. And for the wallet, it just says color brown. So yeah, that is all for this unboxing. But hold on, y'all. Don't click off. I hope that you guys have are still here with me, because I do have another little unbagging that I want to do from Victoria's Secret. Real quick, you guys, I promise. Hold on. Alright, so I have 2 items from Victoria's Secret that I would like to unbox with you guys. So, here we go. Okay, let's open up the first item. Okay, I don't think I need it. This is the Victoria coin purse right here in the Sherpa, whatever you want to call it, kiss lock coin purse right here. This is a very pretty mauve color. Can you see that? The hardware is gold. So I see if I can get rid of this stuff. Is this beauty right here. This is the Victoria, no, this is the sequin cosmetic clutch. Look at that sequence on there. It has gold hardware. The VS is gold. It's a light pink, leaning towards medium tone pink, y'all. I see a little bit of purple in here, almost lavender. It's so pretty. And then here is the inside. Let's see. The inside, the interior is pink. Y'all see that? There's no zipper pocket on the inside, just a pink hole. It's so cute. Let's see. Oh, okay. The zipper pull is pink. I saw this clutch on Mrs. Toya's channel. So yeah, when I saw her pull this, she did a haul video. So Miss Toya, thank you for showing this. I appreciate that. So you guys, that's it. My battery is about to run dead. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing of my, let me get this stuff out of the way. My room's a mess. Unboxing Michael Kors and Victoria's Secret. So thanks for joining me, you guys. And until next time, everybody, stay safe out there.